Hello, fellow gardeners. Are you tired of looking at your backyard and seeing untapped potential? Do you dream of a bountiful harvest but feel limited by the size of your space? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into genius backyard food, growing layouts that will help you maximize every square inch. Get ready to transform your garden into a productive powerhouse, no matter how small it is. We're going to unlock the secrets to growing more food than you ever thought possible. Many gardeners unknowingly waste valuable growing space. This isn't just about aesthetics. It directly impacts your yield and the variety of food you can grow. An efficient layout means more fresh produce for your table. By strategically planning your garden, you can increase your harvest, reduce maintenance, and even create a more beautiful and functional outdoor area. It's about working smarter, not just harder, in your garden. Let's explore how to make every plant count. Before we dive into specific layouts, let's understand the foundational principles that make these designs so effective. These ideas are the building blocks for any high-yield, space-saving garden. Mastering them will change your gardening game. Think upwards, not just outwards. Vertical gardening allows you to grow plants on walls, trellises, or stacked containers, utilizing airspace that would otherwise be empty. This is perfect for vining plants like cucumbers, tomatoes, and pole beans. It also helps improve air circulation around plants, which can reduce disease. Vertical structures add an interesting visual element to your garden too. Don't underestimate the power of growing up. This technique involves planting small batches of crops every few weeks instead of planting everything at once. As one crop finishes, another is ready to take its place, ensuring a continuous harvest. It's like a revolving door of deliciousness. Succession planting is ideal for quick-growing vegetables such as lettuce, radishes, spinach, and bush beans. It prevents gluts and keeps your garden producing throughout the season. Plan your planting schedule carefully for best results. Certain plants thrive when grown near each other, offering mutual benefits like pest deterrence, improved growth, or attracting beneficial insects. This natural synergy helps optimize space by creating a healthier ecosystem. It's nature's way of teamwork. For example, marigolds can deter nematodes, while basil can improve the flavor of tomatoes. Research compatible plant pairings to make the most of this ancient wisdom. It's a simple way to boost your garden's health. Instead of traditional rows, intensive planting involves growing plants in closely spaced blocks or grids. This method significantly increases yield per square foot by optimizing plant spacing. It's about fitting more plants into a smaller area. Square foot gardening is a popular example where a grid divides a bed into 1-foot squares, each planted with a specific number of plants. This approach minimizes wasted space and maximizes production. It's incredibly efficient. Integrate food-producing plants directly into your ornamental landscape. Think fruit trees as shade trees, berry bushes as hedges, or herbs as ground covers. Your garden can be both beautiful and productive. This approach blurs the lines between food garden and flower garden, making your entire yard a potential food source. It's a fantastic way to add beauty and function simultaneously. Every plant can serve a purpose. When ground space is limited, containers become your best friend. From large grow bags to self-watering planters, containers offer flexibility and allow you to grow a wide variety of crops. You can even move them to optimize sunlight. Choose containers appropriate for the plant's root system and ensure good drainage. Self-watering containers are particularly useful for busy gardeners, providing consistent moisture. Don't let a lack of in-ground space stop you. Now, let's put these principles into practice with some specific layout ideas. These designs are proven to work wonders in various backyard settings. Get ready to be inspired and start planning your own productive paradise. Imagine a compact, circular, or square bed dedicated entirely to salad greens and quick-harvest herbs. This layout uses intensive planting to pack in lettuce, spinach, arugula, radishes, and cilantro. It's a fresh salad factory. The salad bowl garden is perfect for small spaces and provides a continuous supply of fresh ingredients. You can harvest outer leaves, allowing plants to continue producing. It's incredibly convenient and productive. This ancient Native American method combines corn, beans, and squash in a symbiotic relationship. The corn provides a trellis for the beans fix nitrogen in the soil, and the squash shades the ground, suppressing weeds and retaining moisture. It's a perfect example of companion planting. This polyculture system maximizes space and creates a self-sustaining mini ecosystem. It's a powerful way to grow 3 staple crops in a relatively small area. This traditional method truly works wonders. A keyhole garden is a raised bed with a central composting basket, often shaped like a circle with a wedge cut out. You add kitchen scraps and garden waste to the central basket, which slowly releases nutrients into the surrounding soil. It's a self-feeding garden. This design is incredibly efficient for both composting and watering, as nutrients and moisture are distributed outwards. It's perfect for growing a variety of vegetables and herbs in a compact, fertile space. Raised beds offer excellent drainage, better soil control, and easier access, making them ideal for intensive planting. Fill them with high-quality soil and use the square-foot gardening method to pack in a diverse array of crops. They are a gardener's dream. The defined edges of raised beds also make pathways clear and reduce soil compaction. You can customize their size and height to suit your needs and physical abilities. They truly elevate your gardening experience. Transform an unused wall or fence into a productive vertical garden. Use pocket planters, stacked containers, or DIY pallet gardens to grow herbs, strawberries, leafy greens, and even some smaller fruiting plants. The sky's the limit. Vertical towers are another fantastic option, allowing you to grow dozens of plants in a small footprint. These systems are perfect for urban environments or anyone with limited ground space. They are a visual delight and a food producer. Don't overlook the edges of your garden or even your pathways. Plant low-growing herbs like thyme, oregano, or chamomile between stepping stones. Use berry bushes or dwarf fruit trees as attractive borders. Every inch can be productive. This approach integrates food production seamlessly into your landscape, making your entire yard a functional and beautiful space. It's a subtle yet powerful way to increase your harvest. Before you start digging, take some time to plan. A little foresight goes a long way in creating a successful, space-efficient garden. Consider these crucial factors for your specific backyard. First, observe your sunlight patterns throughout the day and across seasons. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. Map out sunny and shady spots to place plants accordingly. Next, assess your water access. Plan your layout so that watering is convenient and efficient, whether through drip irrigation or easy hose reach. Good water management is key to plant health. Consider your soil quality. Raised beds allow you to bring in ideal soil, but if planting in-ground, amend your existing soil for optimal fertility and drainage. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Finally, choose plants that are well-suited to your climate and the specific conditions of your chosen layout. Select varieties known for compact growth or vertical habits if space is tight. High-density gardens require consistent care to thrive. Because plants are closer together, they compete more for resources. Regular attention will ensure a continuous, abundant harvest. Fertilize regularly, as closely spaced plants deplete soil nutrients faster. Use organic compost, worm castings, or balanced liquid fertilizers. Feed your soil, and it will feed your plants. Stay vigilant against pests and diseases. Good air circulation from proper spacing and vertical growing helps, but inspect plants often. Address any issues quickly to prevent spread. Water consistently and deeply. Intensive planting can lead to faster drying out of the soil. Mulch helps retain moisture and suppress weeds, reducing your watering frequency. Harvest frequently. This encourages plants to produce more and prevents them from going to seed prematurely. The more you pick, the more your garden will give back. Which layout are you most excited to try first? Share your ideas and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert gardening tips. Happy growing, everyone!